Hey y'all, welcome back to Memaw's house. I'm in my kitchen again and I'm getting ready to put my apron on. And I wanted to invite you along to make my 5 flavored pound cake. I'm going to make 2 little cakes for 2 special people. And these are gifts that's coming out of my kitchen. So hold on, let me get my apron on and we'll get the ingredients for my 5 flavored pound cake. The ingredients include 3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 3 sticks of butter, 6 eggs, 3 cups of sugar, 1/2 cup of whipping cream, 1/2 cup of sour cream, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 2 teaspoons of butter extract, and cake batter extract, 1 teaspoon of almond flavoring, and 1 teaspoon of lemon flavoring. We're going to start with 3 cups of flour that I'm going to sift, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and we'll sift this all together. Now we'll pull together our liquids. 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream. To that, I will add 1/2 cup of sour cream. That sour cream makes the cake nice and moist. And then we'll add our extracts. Doesn't want to focus. Okay. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. 2 teaspoons of butter extract. That was about 2 teaspoons. Got heavy-handed there. 1 teaspoon of cake batter. 1 teaspoon of almond. And 1 teaspoon of lemon. Lemon adds a little bit of a brightness to the cake, the taste of the cake. And let's mix all this together. And now it's time to break our eggs. We're putting 6 eggs in. And you know I always crack my eggs into a separate container so that if I get shells in, it won't be in my batter. And they're all at room temperature. The eggs, the whipping cream, and the sour cream are all at room temperature. To my mixing bowl, I am adding 3 sticks of unsalted butter. And to that, I will add 3 cups of sugar. And we're going to mix that together until that sugar sound of granules decrease. 7 or 8 minutes, usually. Of course, during this time, I'm going to scrape my bowl down. How nice and fluffy it is. That's what we want. I'm gonna scrape my bowl down one more time. And I scraped my bowl another time off camera during that 8 minutes. I think it was about 8 minutes that it actually mixed together. Now I'm going to turn my beaters back on, my paddle back on, and add my eggs, one at a time. I had my mixer going too slow. Oh, 2 eggs escaped. From here, I'll go ahead and turn my mixer on a slow and start to add my flour, one cup at a time, with a little of the sour cream and whipping cream mixture. I'll scrape my bowl down. another cup of the flour mixture and another third of the whipping cream mixture. Then I'll add the last little bit of flour. With the last bit of whipping cream, sour cream mixture. Scrape my bowl down. And I'll finish it off by mixing it by hand. And then it'll be ready to go into the pan. You know, I got to get all my batter off of this paddle because you can't have your batter sitting here when it needs to go into the pan. Okay. So I've prepared my pans and we're going to add our cake batter. Okay, it's time to go into the oven. I'm going to put these on the middle rack. And they will bake for 1 hour to 1 hour and 15 minutes. Okay, y'all, so the cakes are in the oven. They'll bake for 1 hour to 1 hour and maybe 15 minutes. I'll check it at the hour mark. So just hold on, we'll be back with a cake. I forgot to tell you guys that one cake is for my nephew who's having a birthday, and the other cake is for our home. I can't bake a cake without leaving one here at the house because for some reason Pepaw think he's supposed to get a cake every time. Do you have someone in your family who thinks that way? Comment down below if you do. Okay, the cakes are out of the oven and I'm going to let them cool for 30 minutes or so. So I am here with my cake. It's ready to go. And I hope that my nephew Charles has a good birthday. In the meanwhile, y'all go bake something good for your family members and bring some love out of your kitchen to someone you love. We'll talk to you later. Be blessed. Bye.